Today I'm going to see what cleans silver better by using 4 basic ingredients. Water, water softener, salt, and aluminum foil. So in solution A, I'm going to put a piece of aluminum foil. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of water softener, a teaspoon of salt, which I pre-measured. Then pour in a quart of water. Okay, for solution B, I'm going to put in a piece of tinfoil. And just pour in water softener, there's going to be no salt in this one. And then a quart of water again. And then in solution C, I'm going to put in no aluminum foil, just put in some water softener and some salt. And then a quart of water. So you're going to let that sit, and then you'll put in your silver. You can see I literally just dipped this in the top, like that part quick instantly. I'm just going to rotate that around, stick that back in there. So for solution 2, I'm cleaning this stuff is like really lightly tarnished. I'm just going to stick that in. Again, it's not going to be filled completely. And then for solution C, I have a necklace. I'm not really sure if you would see it. I have a necklace. And I'm going to put the earring. And earring that my mom made to be clean. So I'm just going to stick those two in there. And we're going to do, okay. So I'll update you on how they look in about 2 minutes. After 5 minutes, the edges on here still seem to be improving. So I'm just going to see if I can dip this in. Because you can sort of see. I really can't. Okay, and solution C looks a smidge better. Not really clean enough as well as the other two. Okay, so I'll check back in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it is still like lightly tarnished around the sides. I'm just going to flip this. So what I'm trying to do right now is get all the tarnish to be removed. This, after 10 minutes, looks even better on the inside, the top. So there's a light bit of tarnish on it, but it's looking really good. Solution C, it actually looks a bit cleaner, but it's still like really dirty. And the necklace looks a bit cleaner, but still a little dirty. So after 20 minutes, solution A looks a little less tarnished, but about the same. The silver in solution B, the inside looks even cleaner. Top looks actually really good. Other than this part, which hasn't been put in solution yet. There's no change in the jewelry. And see, it's still as tarnished as it was before. There's no real change in it. Okay, and I'll do an hourly report next. Okay, so after an hour, I put the top in. As you can see, the sides started cleaning up. The middle still hasn't, so I'm going to leave that in for a little longer. The middle one, I did the same thing too. You can see the sides have started to clean up. The middle looks really good. I'm still going to leave that in for a little longer. And then the third one, let's see what the ring is. Hasn't changed a bit since I put it in. Okay, so as you can see, solution B cleaned the best because this is nice and shiny and really good looking. Solution A cleaned not as good, but really close. Not really that close to it, but considering what it had to cut through, cleaned pretty good. I finished cleaning this one, scrubbing it down and stuff, and that needs to be scrubbed down a little more. And solution C did not clean at all, and that is because when silver gets like dirty and stuff, it's covered with a layer of sulfur, and the aluminum and the sulfur react, and the aluminum like attracts the sulfur, and that's what causes it to be clean. So since solution 3 did not have any aluminum in it, it did not get cleaned.